Hey, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to discuss the Go High Level platform, getting started, outreach as a barrier to entry, and crashing through those limiting beliefs that's going to allow you to make $10,000, $20,000, even $100,000 a month. If you're about that life, this is the video for you. Outreach is the fuel that drives the Go High Level platform. Without clients, there is no movement. We need clients for two purposes. Number one, in order to learn the Go High Level platform, you're going to need to set up your client's social media profile, missed call text back, and you're going to set up their reputation management. All these things are functions of Go High Level which allow you to get started right away, no excuses, start onboarding clients, approaching businesses that you understand how they function, understanding the needs of the clients in order to be successful. But the main thing is getting those clients inside of the Go High Level platform so that the sales process can unfold. And by that, I mean taking them down your sales funnel to a video meeting, to understanding what their needs and concerns are, to being able to provide a solution. Go High Level provides us the tools that allow us to solve problems for these business owners. So let's jump right in right now and take a look at how we tie the social media outreach to the Go High Level platform.
And how we make it happen. Go into your personal Facebook page and click on pages, go up into your search box in their pages and put in junk removal. Click return, come down here to pages and see all. Click on see all. We're going to engage with thousands of companies that specialize in junk removal services. Now, if we want to get specific, we can go over here to pages and go to location. And I'm in the Phoenix area, but you may be in the LA area. You click on LA or wherever you are from this area right here, and you're going to now have potential clients, local based businesses to approach, not local to you, but local to the clients that you're reaching out to. So let's just be clear. You can do this nationwide. It depends on my preference. So I can go here, go to messages, and what I can do is move myself out of the way, number one. And what I can do is go here and send them a quick DM. What you want to do first is you're going to kind of observe their business, look at their business, find out what their business is about, personalize your message. A real pro tip is to jump on this plus sign right here, right? You click on that plus sign and that opens up a voice message, which allows you now to give them the most tailored, personalized message possible. And the idea is to stand out from the rest. How many people are actually going to go ahead and speak to them directly? Okay, so this is the pro tip when it comes to outreach, Facebook outreach, when it comes to businesses.
So, hey, man, like and subscribe to the channel. This is the epicenter of the Rogers Media Mindset.
And that's involving those responses from the social media platform in our social media planner, in our reputation management, and helping us to solve the social media blunders that are commonplace when it comes to service-based businesses, why they're not getting market share, and why other companies are dominating market share, and local service-based businesses. And by the way, when I say local, I'm not talking about local to you. That local audience will be local to the business, not necessarily local to you, because you can do this nationwide. Yes, not allowing you to be a puppet on a string for companies that pay you a salary, but really don't have your best interests at heart. At the end of the day, everybody can't become president of the company. What we want to do is break the limiting beliefs that you can actually earn this type of money as a side business until you're able to move into a full-time situation as a marketing agency. A solo agency can be just as effective as a 10-man agency. We may not be able to serve every customer that we onboard. Maybe that client doesn't have a staff large enough to take on the amount of customers that we're now infusing into their business. So these are the questions that you're going to need to ask during the needs assessment process so that you know that you can be successful and then that client can be successful. Outreach, canceling the barrier to entry, because now you're in and you're learning from your customer engagement. So the proof of concept, now you know you have the ability to solve the customer's pain point. There are 3 subscription models. The first subscription model is a $97 model, which allows you to bring on 2 sub-accounts, and those 2 sub-accounts will get you your proof of concept, get you in the process of understanding to go high level. Why? Because once you bring on that sub-account, configure their social media, their reputation management, missed call text back if they're missing calls during holidays and weekends. And you're basically a consultant. So the second subscription model is $297, and it is unlimited sub-accounts. So you're able to run your business and bring on as many clients as you can. You can run a complete business with retainers, obviously, for these services that I'm mentioning. So you're able to do that. You're able to do that successfully. That's great. Now, third subscription is a $497 a month subscription. It involves SaaS, software as a service. So now we're selling the complete software package to a company to run their entire show. You remove the Go High Level logo from the website itself and you replace that with your logo. You sell the Go High Level software as your own. It's an amazing opportunity. You're still paying the $497 a month. You are reaping the benefits of that retainer relationship, and Go High Level is helping you with sales support, technical support, so you're not stranded on an island by yourself. This is an amazing opportunity that Go High Level has provided to you as a salesperson. If you're getting any value from this video, please like and subscribe to the channel. This channel is about adding an awesome side hustle. Hit the notification bell because I'll be dropping videos like this on a regular basis. And we're just glad that you're here. Leave a comment down below if you have any issues with limiting belief, or if you have a comment regarding a proof of concept or barrier to entry, which is in all sales. Barriers to entry is in all sales. Else everybody would be doing it. So let's go ahead and leave a comment that might help someone. And you know what? Even the haters can leave a comment, because the genesis of everything Go High Level is in outreach. That's where the barrier to entry is, because a lot of times reaching out to clients is the most difficult thing to do, but we're doing it through DMs in Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Snapchat. This type of outreach fuels the Go High Level platform, and through that fueling, we get an opportunity to use the tools that Go High Level presents. And once we master those tools through application, then we're super confident that the next call we go on, we have a solution to whatever their problems might be. Like and subscribe to the channel, and hit this bell notification because I'll be dropping videos like this on a regular basis.